Oh shit, I didn't hit the record button, sorry. Listen, I ball like the 6 nigga. I'm way shorter than a lot of baller niggas, but I'm never a midget. I play baseball way better than most niggas. I'm ballin', nigga. Out the park, they call me Frank Hot Dog and niggas. Cause that's how I be when I box, nigga. I be dogging niggas. Fuck my right hand. I stay with the left hook, jab, right cut with the right hand. I'm nasty with it. Straight cut glass and eyebrows and ass with it. Can't get close to this nigga, I fly class with it. Headbutt niggas, buck shots to the guts, nigga. Take your whole red cage up, you a nut, nigga. Make your girlfriend fill in that motherfucking butt, nigga. Tell me you the best when I sleep with her last night. Ask your bitch about me. 12 rounds better than your first round, nigga. Ask her about me. She'll tell you straight up, dick game crazy, A++. Nigga, that's my report card, greater than the nigga. Crazy as shit, fucking with bitches way bigger than you, nigga. That ain't what you talking about. Rap that shit, nigga. Talk game, spit game like I'm rapping this shit, nigga. Go ahead, D, hit that shit.
Rainbow, trying to pull up the shit, Rainbow. You getting it now, Rainbow. I'm going to do my shit, Rainbow. But listen, I'm here at all. Y'all want to hear my flow? This one is time, October, December, here we go. We want to get go. That's what we do it, roll. We riding boots, and we want to fucking do it, so. Getting head now. Stick it dead now. You know, where? Sled now. It's over now.
Okay, let me see.